lot of people involved in the poultry industry right now that are going to lose their farms. They're going to have to file bankruptcy. It's scary and it's really, really sad.
A decades-long lawsuit against Tyson and other Northwest Arkansas poultry companies is over, and now many farmers are worried about their livelihoods. Good evening, and thanks for being with us tonight. We're hearing from those farmers today after that federal court ruling last week held poultry companies financially responsible for pollution in the Illinois River watershed. Channel 7's Andrew Mobley joins us now with what this could mean for the industry, including farmers. Andrew.
Arkansas poultry farmers in the region say the ruling, which places them and the companies they contract with under federal court jurisdiction for at least 30 years, could mean the end of chicken farming in the northwest corner of the state.
A lot of people involved in the poultry industry right now that are going to lose their farms. They're going to lose their livelihoods. They're going to have to file bankruptcy.
Since the lawsuit was filed 20 years ago, poultry farmers have taken steps to better protect the Illinois River watershed from chicken litter used as fertilizer. But federal judge Gregory Frizzell on Friday said it's not enough because the waterway is still impaired. Farmers say it's not fair that the poultry industry is being held solely liable by the court for phosphorus levels in the watershed, even though some of the pollution may come from other sources.
They have no control over a large portion of the pollution that is eventually going to hit the Illinois River watershed, because it's going to be pollution that comes from our urbanization that we're experiencing in Northwest Arkansas.
Despite that, Frizzell ruled that farmers contracted with the defendant poultry companies in the region must be closely watched for at least 30 years by a soon-to-be-created watershed monitoring team to assure compliance with the ruling's strict requirements for chicken waste disposal and land application and assess its impact on waterways. The court says poultry companies must pay for the team and its work. By creating a $10 million fund, they must replenish. The ruling also makes the companies responsible for poultry waste and forces them to terminate contracts with farmers who don't comply with new requirements for it.
I don't know that people understand that this ruling will push poultry industry out of Northwest Arkansas. Local economies are what is going to suffer.
Poultry companies are already backing away from contracts with farmers in the region. Last week, Tyson said it wouldn't renew contracts for over 50 farms, including holidays.
We called Simmons and George's and asked if they would pick up our farm, and we were told no. We feel like we are political pawns. For 20 years, this litigation has been ongoing, and it sat dormant for quite a while until the Attorney General of Oklahoma decided that he wanted to run for governor.
Holiday says the situation is pretty hopeless. Even if Tyson or another company appeals the ruling, by the time there's a resolution, it'd be too late for farmers. On your side, I'm Andrew Mobley.
All right, Andrew, thanks so much. Today, Arkansas Farm Bureau President Dan Wright called the ruling a, quote, gross overreach, and that this ruling will have far and lasting impacts on agriculture in Arkansas.